Hello loves, welcome back to Diva Decorating. Now to all my new subscribers, thank you for being here. And while you're here, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel? And if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and your family. And to my old subscribers or to all my old loves, welcome back. Okay, so as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a tropical summer tablescape. Yes, you know I had to do it. I love doing my tablescapes. I'm not going to do the July 4th tablescape this year because I did it for Memorial Day and it would practically be the same decorations that I had. So I decided to just go on and give y'all a little early summer tropical tablescape. So this is what I came up with this year. I had this pictured in my mind how I wanted this to look, and it came out exactly like I had pictured. Well, almost. We're going to talk about this centerpiece right here. This centerpiece came from Joann Fabric, and it is I guess you would call it like a burgundy colored orchid stem, and on the stem was this tag that's called the Bloom Room Stems, and this was, I believe it was $14.99, and it was 60% off. So I snatched this up because this is what I was looking for, but it wasn't the color I was looking for. So I just went with it anyway because I was like, you know, this is the only one they had. They had a couple white ones, but I didn't want to do white. So I just said I would go with this one, and I believe that it cost me like $5.99. So I was like, yeah, I really want this. So I really wanted it in a pinkish color since my theme is mostly the pink and blue, but like I said, they didn't have it, and this is all they had, so I just went with this, and it kind of goes with what I got going on anyway. So I'm telling you, if you want to get that 60% off on all their stem flowers that they have right now, run, do not walk to Joann Fabric, okay? So you can get you some. Now, I was also looking for the leaves that usually you see on an orchid, but I couldn't find those there, so I went with a DIY, and I just came up with some foam, let me see, I believe it's called a foam sheet, and it was a foam glittered sheet that I already had left over from another project. I don't actually have the sheet because I used the whole sheet to make the leaves, but this is the tag that it has on it, and I picked this up from Walmart for a little of nothing. I don't remember how much it was, but it wasn't that much. But anyhow, anyway, how I made these were that I just took that foam, and as you can see, it is glittered on the other side, but I spray painted it. As you can see, I cut it to what a leaf looks like on an orchid, and I did impressions with my scissors to make the veins for the leaf there, and spray painted a hunter green with some spray paint that I picked up from Dunn Hardware, which their, let me see, what's the name? The Rust-Oleum paint, spray paint is on sale right now, and I believe it was like $3.50. So that's what I came up with, and I think these leaves just came out just as I pictured them. I just went with the DIY, guys, and I just was just doing what I thought a leaf looked like in my mind, and this is how it came out, and I think it came out exactly like it should look. It looks like a real leaf. And this also is a DIY because I wanted a square, a kind of a square shape box for my orchid here. So what I did was I came up with another DIY of using these tiles, which are very inexpensive. These tiles came from Home Depot, and they're, I believe they call them chromatic wall tiles. Let me check. Yeah, chromatic white wall tiles, and they are 6 by 6, so they're pretty big. 6 by 6, and I picked up, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, because there is one on the bottom that you can't see. And I also put some felt feet on it so it wouldn't scar the table. But yeah, that's what I did for this, to come up with this little box, and you can do that too. It's very easy, very simple. And inside of it, as you can see, I just have some moss that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and some foam in there to stick my orchids down in, and that is how I came up with this look. I really wanted that pink. I wish they would have had it, but I was in a rush to do this. I wanted to get this video out to you guys, so I just picked up what they had. Didn't feel like running to another Joann Fabric because there's no other one that was, you know, pretty near me. So I went with this, and this is how it's gonna look. So if you would like to see a DIY or how I've made these leaves, please let me know down in the comment section. But like I said, they are very simple and very easy, and you can even do leaves for fall, for autumn. If you need some leaves in your project and you don't feel like picking up any at the store, and you got this foam sheet on hand, go for it. I mean, just do it with that. It's very easy. And it's something, you know, you can say, okay, I made myself. So, yeah. And I didn't do nothing extravagant with the table for the tropical look. I just added a few elements to make it look a little tropical, as with these plates right here. They came from the Dollar Tree. I already had them though, so I didn't pay anything this year for anything except for those orchids. And like, I bought this and I made that, so everything else is Dollar Tree. I already had these. Shell, little shell, I don't know what you call them, little dish plates or something. Yeah, I already had that, so I just decided to stick the cup of that in there. And back to the place setting, I just have this round placemat that I already had, and as I said, the plate, the napkins I already had, the bowls, I believe I showed that to you in a haul, so I decided to use those. And these are so cute, guys. These are the pineapples from the Dollar Tree. They light up in different colors. At night they are so pretty to display, and I decided to just set that inside of the bowls. And that is my place setting. Very simple, very inexpensive, and also very decorative. So that's how that looks. And as you can see over here, I used those margarita glasses that I already had. I believe I have 2 more in that set that I had got, and I believe that they were, I don't remember how much they were because I've had them for quite a while, so I'm not going to even guess and try to tell you, but they wasn't expensive. And I put the little flamingo stirrers in there that I already had from the Dollar Tree. So if you want a nice, cool, tropical drink, I will be filling those glasses with that. And as you can see over there, I have my little lei over there. I've already had those leis, and I have one over here as well. And I'm going to go around and show you that all the place settings are basically the same. I didn't switch anything up this time. I just basically did each place setting the same. But I think that it looks very tropical, very summery, and very simple. So that's a way that you can come up with something for your table setting. And also the reason why I wanted the pink orchids was to like go with the setting that I showed you on the other side that's on my island. And you know I have pink over here, so I also wanted something in the pink family to go with this over here. But I think this is fine. Short video, guys, nothing too long. Also, let me show you guys this. Something else that I also picked up at Joann Fabric. If I can get it out. I can't get it out, so I'm not going to mess it up. But these are already had, but I just wanted to show you this in the back. And it came from the same place, Joann Fabric, and it has the Bloom Room stem tag on it as well. You probably can't see, guys, but this thing sparkles so much. It is so pretty, and when I turn the lights on, it is just gorgeous. It's a stem and it's all glittered, and I just stuck it in here with these little balls that I had, and oh my gosh, it's just so pretty. I wish I could show it to you all lit up, but I just had to show you guys that. Okay, so the next video that I'll be coming out with will be a 2-wreath easy DIY wreaths, and one will be for the 4th of July, since it's coming up real soon this week. I want to hurry up and get that video out to you. It was like a last minute thing, since I didn't do the 4th of July table. I did do a wreath, so I do want to show you that DIY. And I also did a summer wreath. It's kind of basically not really, it's tropical, but it's more like a summer beach theme wreath. And I think you're really going to enjoy that video. So until next time, make sure that you stop and see that video. And as I said, to all my new subscribers, thank you for being here. Why don't you stay a while? And to my old loves, bless you. Thank you for watching. And until next time, bye my loves.